Hi guys, a massive welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm so excited about today's video, and today's video is about making your own motifs with the cushion or the foam to print your own batiks. Most people asked me this when I posted the batik video on my YouTube channel, where I'll put the link in the description box below, and you can see that video and then you can come back to see how you make your own designs. So I went to the shop and I went to the section where they sold foams and mattresses, and I got myself this mattress or this foam or cushion. So what you do is that you cut them into the sizes you prefer, and mine was 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So I got two different kinds because I wanted to save some money. So I got this kind and the other kind. But the idea was that this would be used for the handles of the batik, and then this actually will be used for cutting the designs or the motif itself. So after I paid for this and I got them to cut it in the shop, I headed to the location where I met with my friends who were gracious enough to help me to do this. So here we are at the studio and we are about to cut the designs from the cushion. This is what we used. I don't know the technical name, but this is what we used to cut out the design. So this is my friend cutting out the design, but we drew a couple of designs using the Edinkra symbols from Ghana, which are peculiar to the Akan people. So here we drew several designs onto the foam, and then we cut with a scapula, I think, or maybe I might be wrong, but that's what we cut with. So I'm going to show you the design, and I'm just going to fast forward the video so it doesn't take too much of your time. So you draw onto the foam, and then after you cut the design. So I will show you a couple of other ways I did it from the side of the foam, so you see how I did it. You need to be very careful when doing this because this material is very sharp, and you need to adjust it according to how deep you want to cut into the foam. So please be extra careful when you are doing this part. So basically I'm cutting lines through, as you can see. Just to give you an idea of how deep you can cut it, you can cut around the foam all around, so you can know how deep you want to actually cut through. Yes. So this is actually lines that I've just made, and you can see how deep I cut through. And yeah, we worked on several designs, just as you can see here. Worked on several other designs which we are going to use for our batik making. So I would put a video of the batik making, how to make your own batik, the link in the description box, because I have a video already on my channel which shows you how to make the batik. So this video was just to show you how I actually cut the motifs or the print or the stamps that you put onto the fabric. Yes, so you can also see how I cut from the side to have an idea of how deep you need to cut through. As I mentioned earlier on, you need to be very careful when you are cutting. And the good thing about this cushion is when you draw and you make a mistake, you can always draw on the other side since the other part will not be used. So the design at the bottom was really small, and now this one drawn on the top is bigger. So here are the finished motifs or the designs we made after getting all the supplies from the shop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find it very informative, and looking forward to some of the fabrics you're going to make. Bye, and don't forget to like.